Today we are going to review replacing the formatter board on the Hewlett Packard Color LaserJet 4700. The formatter board is located on the right side of the machine when you're looking at it from the front. On the back side corner, you'll find the formatter here. It's the silver piece right here. There usually will be two white locks right here, keeping the board from coming out. You want to pinch these pieces together, and when they come out, it's just a little alligator clip kind of design. And there's one on the top, same thing, you're just going to pinch it and pull out. If they get stuck a little, just lift slightly and then pull out, and they'll come out all the way. To remove the formatter board now, you're going to take these two black tabs, and you're going to basically squeeze them down, squeeze one up and one down. You want to squeeze them together. And then when you pull straight back with them squeezed, the board will slide right out. This is the formatter board of the 4700 series. You want to make sure when you replace the formatter board that you swap the RAM chip over and the firmware compact flash card. To do that, the compact flash is exactly like a compact flash. It used to be found on old cameras. This is just going to pull straight out, and it's going to go back in. It always gets installed in the bottom slot on the formatter board. The RAM always goes to the slot that is white, not the black slot. To remove this, you're going to want to pull these metal pieces out right here. They'll flare out to the side. If you take these pieces and you pull them to the side, they'll flare out. This RAM will naturally pop up at about a 45-degree angle. It'll slide out then. Once again, there's a notch with it. Right there you can see this notch. You want to make sure it lines up with the notch on the board. And you want to line it up at about a 45-degree angle. And you just want to push down until you hear it click. And as long as these two little metal tabs here went over top of the RAM chip, it's in place properly. To reinstall is just a reversal process. There's a little railings that start right here and then one up on the inside of the machine right here. And you just want to line up the board with those two railing pieces and then slide this back in until you hear it click in place. And that's how you know the board's now fully seated, and then reinsert the lock pins to keep the board from being able to pop out in shipping or movement. That is how you replace the formatter board on the Color LaserJet 4700.